Hello, Farm Life Plus Pets Part 12. As you see, this lady has died, the cat lady, and we cannot marry her or anything. She's moved to another world and leaving her animals and everything and going to a new world underground as a ghost. And we're going to remember you, my friend, every time we see fireworks. Just please, everybody, subscribe and follow us and share. So at first, a new update has arrived. This update came with the Cottage Living expansion pack. And this is going to be my first time playing with building ponds. As you see now, this is a new tool we get. It's creating ponds in your own house, and there's interactions you can do in it. You can go fishing and some cute animals that you can look and, have fun with, basically looking at. So yeah, keep watching if you want to see what turns out. So now, as you see, we're filling it after we made the holes. And you can just fill it as you want, as deep as you like. And you can also, choose the color you like the pond to be. And then I add fishing signs so your Sims can go fishing. And these logs, my friends, are not just any logs. I mean, if you're new to The Sims, you know what they're not just any logs. Some kind of creature comes up to it. And now I'm adding all these fishes and some insects and ducks. And I tried to add the alligator because there's an alligator, yes. But there was no room, so I just had to move a lot of things and sell some of it. And still, there was just no room. So then I basically made it a little bigger so I can add an alligator, because it's really important for my first pond to have an alligator. I want to see what it looks like, because I have seen an alligator around other worlds and outside ponds, things like that, but we never got to put in your own house. So now I'm making it bigger so I can put one in. Trying to cheer up this family, okay, because they just lost a friend in the last episode, and we're trying to cheer them up and making it beautiful and completing the farm life. And hopefully later on in the near future we'll be playing with also cottage living. But now just look at this pond and this cute ducks. They're so cute, and there's insects flying all over. Yeah, I got a couple of things here broken, as you see, but let's just have fun looking at this animation. How the cute ducks, and the dog is enjoying outside, as you see. He's so happy to see this beautiful pond here. And I'm looking for the alligator. Where are you? We are waiting for him to show up, and let's see what this log will show. Well, you can click on it, and a turtle shows up. It's so cute. I don't know, I just wish there were baby turtles too, like these little creatures can breed, and you'll see little ducklings and little turtles, And there's the alligator. He's like so huge. I thought he was going to be so tiny, but he's kind of big, And he's gone. He has disappeared. These are mosquitoes right here. Too bad we can't get bitten by them. I don't think we can. And here, come on, turtle. You come out too. We want to see you. There you are. Trying to get some cute close-up so I can show you guys. It looks so beautiful. Thank you guys, Sim Teams, for creating this and allowing us to play with ponds and build them in our house. It's so adorable. It's so easier, just to go fishing right near your door. And look at these cute creatures. Look at that alligator. Yeah, okay. You go hide now. And no, you can't be eaten by him or anything like that. You cannot. So, my friends, let's start our day, okay? We showed you guys the pond. Now, thankfully, we have a new helper that helps around in the house. Because basically we need one. And little baby here is playing. Her new day. Let's see her new day, what's going to be like. Yeah, baby. Okay. Put your toys back because you need to eat right now. Do you want to eat, baby? Kate? Yeah. And as usual, we have so much laundry to do. And every time I see that chair, that rocking chair, I miss my cat friend. And no fire here? Nope. So beautiful pond, isn't it? And I can add fishes, of course, as much fishes as you know and you catched, I guess, before. You can add them to your pond. How cool. So you can add basically as many as you know about. And okay, yeah, go clean up the clothes. And cats here are playing with the dirt, chatting to each other. And little baby here. What's wrong, baby? What is it? You're tired? Hitting mommy? Okay, you can go sleep a little bit. You guys are couch sleepers. Mommy and her daughter love to sleep on the couch a lot. This is the second time we see them sleeping on their couches. Is that comfortable? Yeah, wake up. Your baby's really hungry. We don't want her being taken away. And Cat here is cheering her up because she's crying for food. So yeah, mommy's gonna feed her some food from her inventory. She's waiting patiently while she just takes a little tiny nap. And mom made the food. But baby's still asleep. Wake up, baby. You need to eat these apples very fast before you are taken away. Because in this game, you babies do not die. Yeah, they don't allow you to die. They just come take you away from us. We cannot let that happen. We don't have baby ghosts. I guess not in the game. So, Daddy, it's your turn to watch her and watch cute movies with her. Where are you going, baby? I'm watching this kids show for you. Where are you going? Oh, it's our cat friend here. She's as a ghost. And she came to visit. As you know, when you have a ghost, somebody died from the family, you have it outside, they do come visit around. So if you keep on talking to them, be friends with them, and socialize with them, you'll see them more. And as you see, I was so happy to see her because we do want her back to the family. She's our friend. We have this big house and we need her. Who knows? Maybe we can get her back. That's our goal for now, but who knows what's going to happen. So yeah, basically, Josie aged up. Our mommy cat has aged up finally to an elder. Finally. And there she is. Okay, all grown up. And yeah, their cat stuff is all dirty. As you know, so much work to do. Bedtime. And while these two friends are chit-chatting, and she wants her to be her roommate. This is something I just found out. We can even let the ghosts be our roommates. And we did have a fire again, you guys. What is wrong with this washer and dryer? It just keeps getting burned. And on the floor again. Oh my, I was so worried he's gonna die. Well, we're not ready for that. We did not want that. Thankfully, he didn't. So I thought there's something wrong with these. Maybe they're just too close to each other. So that's probably what's keeping them getting on fire all the time. So I basically put them apart and put in the laundry basket between them. So hopefully that stops the fire. Hopefully. So yeah. You guys can go to bed now. We'll clean up later. And our cat here is all blue. What's wrong, kitty? You can look at her file and it doesn't say what kind of sickness she has. So yeah, I was kind of worried about her. She was sick. And this cat here just, what are you doing? You're trying to scratch and wreck our baby's bed. I mean, there's like so many other furniture. We even bought you guys a scratching thing. Why you keep scratching our furniture, kitty? Well, so our friend, our cat friend, has lived with us as a roommate. Of course, we can't control her yet because I haven't added her to the family. There's difference, you know, if you add her to the family, then you can control her. But if she's as a roommate, you cannot. So she's basically our roommate, and yeah, we have a ghost roommate in our house. How adorable. For the first time in my life, I've noticed this. And so no fire for now, I guess. Hope it's gonna work. It's better to keep the heat things kind of far away from each other so they doesn't cause a lot of fire. Okay? So everybody's asleep while first Big Cat has become an adult, and it's going to be food time. We're gonna make for some food while little baby here plays some toys. And yeah, you're hungry, of course we're gonna give you fruit as usual and vegetables because you're just such a healthy baby. You know, basically it's kind of hard to bring every time a dish is upstairs for her. So healthy food for you, baby. You're gonna be just the healthiest baby in Sims. And then we've changed her. I've, you know, gave her a new look, put some pigtails on her, taught her to go potty. And these animals here are just crying all the time. Our cat is still sick. What's wrong, kitty? You probably need to go to the vet, don't you? What has happened here? This thing here has gone inside our fish tank. Our big, huge fish tank. And it's closed. How did you get in there? I was really surprised. Of course, took a picture of it because I'm surprised. How did you get in there? Well, they sure go, you know, it's like they disappear in a place and they go wherever they want. You guys like fish, I wonder. Let's check our pond. How's our pond doing? Oh, our alligator has joined. I just love this pond. Aren't we thankful for it? And finally, I'm going to play in it. Well, we can't swim in it, but we can at least put our feet in it, huh? And the funny thing is that this lady Penny here still hasn't changed her clothes. Which I mean, she's still a city lady. We haven't put country clothes on her yet. Well, not in this video, we won't. Maybe in like 2 more, 3 more videos coming up, okay, we'll be changing her clothes to, you know, country lady, because she's still a city lady. And here this cat is missing his owner close to the knitting basket. Well, nobody is using it. But he is so sick, that cat. Aren't you guys gonna take him to the vet? Okay, finally, we'll take you to the vet. We don't want to lose you. We're gonna put you an appointment, and you're gonna get checked up, and you'll be all right, cat. As you see, he's blue now, but that's his natural color. So yep, he was sick. While Penny here is having a nice time and a nice swim. Best almost part in this big house is basically the pool, I think. And now it's time to remember our adorable cat friend by playing fireworks in our own house. This is a gift for you because we're so happy that you're basically living with us as a roommate. So this is like, like a surprise fireworks for you. And also, Penny and her husband and her cute little baby Kate is going to eat some of this pot food here, remembering her best friend, because the last time they sat together was, eating that kind of food. So, yeah. Sad part is little baby had to sit on the floor. She can't go sit on this chair. Wouldn't that be cute if they let her go on the table with them? She goes on the couch, but it's okay. At least she could come join them. And now going back upstairs because she needs to go to the bathroom. And we got a lot of things here need to be fixed, as you see. And as you see, our cat friend is sleeping in her own bed. Cool, huh? So she's our roommate. Yeah, baby, you go to the bathroom. She can do it all by herself now. Big girl. She's growing up, my friends. And I really thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked seeing our ghost friend as a roommate. Now you guys know you can. And I hope you guys subscribe and like and share. And see you guys next time. Bye-bye.